everyone, Chef Marissa Catanzaro here today.
And Gianna,
Today we're going to be preparing pizza di patate.
which is potato pie.
This recipe will be in my cookbook, The Next Generation. Let's get started.
The ingredients we need: potatoes, basil and parsley, olive oil, salt, pepper, Parmesan cheese, breadcrumbs, eggs, mozzarella, and some prosciutto.
Potatoes are perfectly cooked. They were on the stove for approximately 30 minutes. They're fork tender. Now I'm going to take them to the sink and strain them. There's our final product. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned for the next recipe and bon appetit!